fish. Boy, you would not want to make a mistake with that knife. Yeah. There you go.
Then you cut it out. Crack it in the middle.
So is this young?
Quite a little bit old.
A little bit old. So you can still drink that water or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, one hit now is a solid round crack.
Now they use a typical knife to take the flesh out.
Các bạn thử không anh?
Wow, he's good.
Let's try it.
Oh, you bet. I'm in it. I'm on
Just a
it.
little bit. You feel milky,
Yeah, so good.
yeah, milky flesh, milky meat.
See, I was raised on this stuff.
Then, so in the past they use this tool to make a shredded coconut. To shade it. Shade. Okay? But nowadays they have a machine. Machine it is.
Wow.
Yeah, you got a shredded coconut.
Oh, man.
That is like...
That is so good.
Here comes out milk.
Yeah, that's awesome. So it's just a big burr tool. It's the coconut milk. Unprocessed after the shredding and then the pressing. And then it gets heated.
No,
No.
we feed the rest of the shredded coconut to the cattle.
Yeah.
We never waste anything. Like animals like cow worm, coconut milk, and malt, MAOT. They don't use sugar to make candy. So they use the petals, small petal, and stir them all the time about 30 minutes with a small fire. Then that liquid getting hotter and hotter. So I put up on the picture on the frame here. They put it up. You see? And then I cut it. The black one is coffee or chocolate. Now you can try coconut candy with peanuts. Yeah, peanuts. Coconut candy with peanuts. There's so many flavors.
So this one you said is coffee or
Cái
chocolate?
này là cái chocolate cái gì? Đây là green chocolate, the plain one, original one. Fuse the powder from tapioca.
Okay.
Because candy is
Yeah,
so
I
sticky.
stick. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Can I try one of those?
Yeah, yeah. Why not?
Well, okay.
Which one better?
Like that one
Yeah,
better.
peanut butter, much better. And then before wrapping the candy with paper, I have to use rice. I have to use rice paper here. Rice paper is edible. Otherwise, the candy will just stuck into the paper. That's why I have to use rice paper.
Oh, so you just eat the paper and all. So one's charcoal.
And one.
Sherry's stuck charcoal block in one hand, and the other one is oil. Make sure you get some oil in there so your hand doesn't get all dried out. Man, that ginger was awesome. Okay. So in this here glass, Daniel says it's snake wine, so we'll see.
Cruising from coconut fruit.
Yeah. This is like when you go to Morocco, they have like hot tea with mint in it.
Don't drink honey tea first.
I think that's snake whiskey. It's
Whiskey.
It's whiskey, yeah.
It's salt. They put a snake in the rice wine.
Just arriving at the coconut candy factory. She was a really nice lady there. And this is a coconut that'll never grow up to be a coconut tree.